Very good morning from London. Welcome to the European morning call for all our Talking-Forex listeners. Taking a look at the news flow from overnight, lots of focus on the Guardian article at the back end of the US session yesterday, noting that France and Germany have agreed on the 2 trillion size for leveraging up the EFSF, and we saw overnight trade, the euro being bid quite considerably, with the dollar index falling sharply. This morning when we came in, dollar index was down around 0.5%, with euro dollar trading back above 138.00, also being the dollar weakness supporting currencies across the board, particularly in cable and Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar was trading up 50 pips this morning. Also we saw the release of the Westpac numbers out overnight, which came in higher than expected, further supporting the Aussie currency. However, as we move throughout the morning, there has been some additional focus on the denials by EU sources that did quickly follow the story, with the German government spokesman Seemer refusing to comment on this Guardian article, and EU officials on the wires this morning confirming that no size for leveraging up the EFSF had been agreed upon, and at the breaking of that news we saw a 30 pips move down in the euro-dollar pair. So just keep an eye out on any further developments regarding the leveraging of the EFSF. Particular focus on France does remain also. Looking elsewhere, overnight there was reports that the Bank of Japan and the Japanese government had created some special monitoring teams to look after the measures they have enacted against the strong yen. On the back of that news, we saw some strengthening into the yen currency to test the Japanese reserve dollar yen, still currently trading down in some negative territory, so just keep a further eye out on any yen related moves as we move throughout the rest of the session. Elsewhere, there was some slight weakening of the Swiss currency, particularly in Euro Swiss. That was allied with some strength in the euro, particular focus being on some market talk of German names bidding in the pair. Just keep an eye on the Swiss currency as we move through the session also. Looking forward then, a lot of focus will be on the Bank of England minutes following their increase of quantitative easing at the last MPC meeting. So we're looking out for any potential comments regarding or in relation to that 75 billion. And further in the US session we'll have the US CPIs. That's enough from me. Have yourselves a great trading day.